Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to reprogram a key fob for a Toyota RAV4 2001 all the way up to 2010, even higher than that. Lexus 2, if your remote looks like this, it's built into the key, or if you even have the one that's separate, all right, that'll work too. This one, nothing works. You got to make sure that the battery is good first. All right, I have a video on this. I'll link it on this on the description. Check the battery, or just replace it first so we know it's not the battery. All right, now the first thing you're going to do, it's a little procedure, and it's not that hard to do. You could stop the video on each section if you want to get an idea how to do it, because it is time sensitive. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, that Toyota wants you to do, is have the driver's door open. All right, and the key out of the ignition. So now I'm going to be reading right from what they want you to do. Okay, you put the key in the ignition. You don't turn it. You just put it in and take it out twice. So we got it over here. You just put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. Within 5 seconds, close the door, open the door, close the door, and open the door. All right. And after that, you put the key in the ignition again. All right, you just put it in, take it out, and close the door. That's only once. And close the door 1 and 2. All right, and then you keep it open. All right. Okay, we put the key in the ignition. Close the door. All right. Now, turn the key. It's off. Turn it to the on position and then the off position. And then take it out. And you heard that? You saw what it did? It cycled on, lock and then unlock. Now you're in program mode. And now what you're going to do, okay, with both fingers, with 2 fingers, you're going to hold down the lock and unlock key at the same time. All right, I can't do it on the video, but you'll do that. You hold the lock and unlock for 5 seconds. Then you release it. Then you hit the lock. All right. I'm going to do it off camera to make it work. All right. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you hit the lock button. And there you go. Now it works. All right. And that's basically it. What you do, open the door, close the door. And while you're in the car, just make sure it works. That's lock. That's unlock. And unlock again for the other side. And that's how and you're programmed. Easy as that. And you just get out of the car and you just lock the doors. You don't have to do anything else. So it's pretty straightforward. And what you can do after that, if you have other keys, you can do the same procedure, all right, and it'll work. And you can even buy keys that are made for Toyota and program. You don't need a special tool. On these models from 2001 to 2010. Higher than that, I think they got a little bit more with the security. You may have to have a scan tool to do that. I haven't did the newer ones, but the older ones, people, seem to, they go bad or whatever. And a lot of times it could be the battery. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to link the video how to replace the battery in here. Simple. One little screwdriver, and you should be on your way. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Any comments pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.